So guys, this is how to use sticky notes in Windows. You want to head over to search and type in sticky notes. Click on it. It may do an update for you, but for me I've already updated it, so that's why it came up straight away. So now you just want to click on plus, and then this will appear. And now you can just take a new note. So I'm just going to call this Speedy Tutorials. You can just put any note that you want. And you have a few options here, like you can make it bold, italic, underline, and you could also add a picture to your note as well. So if you click on the picture right here, add image, you could add a PNG or JPEG file or just any image file. Click on open and then it will add to here as well. You could also copy and paste the image if you want into here by clicking on Ctrl C on the image and then clicking on Ctrl V, which will then paste it here. You can also click on the three dots on the top right and then you can change the color of the note. You could also delete a note by clicking on delete note right here and then click on delete, and you can click on the plus and then a new note will appear right here. You could also search for notes, so if you search for something like that, and you can also click on settings right here. You have a few things that you can select. You could also sign in to sync your notes to the cloud. Now let's say that you have a sticky note open and then you restart your computer. Once you turn your computer on again, the note should automatically appear on your desktop once you turn on your computer, so you don't actually need to open up sticky notes again.